Welcome. Welcome to this short webinar. This webinar is going to be very short. My name is Adeyemi. In this webinar, I will show you why high income skills are important in this era. So this webinar will help you to know why high income skills are important and how to break out of the Nigeria chain that is created to keep us poor. By the time you are done watching this webinar, you will know how to take care of your finance and make more money for yourself so that you can get better and buy the things that you have always dreamed of. So, and also in this webinar, you are going to discover 5 high income skills that you need to learn in 2023 and how to learn them in this webinar after this webinar. So now let us begin. I've been able to show you what you should expect in this webinar, and that's it. So stick around and make sure that you watch till the very end. Alright. So according to takeprofit.com.ng, they made us understand something that an average Nigerian earn just 30,000 naira monthly. So that 30,000 naira is not even my problem. But what shocked me is the fact that this has been the same amount most Nigerians earn since 2019. The crazy part is many don't even earn this amount. They don't earn up to 30,000 naira monthly since 2019. Now look at the inflation of things. Inflation keeps increasing, but salaries and earnings of people never increase. When I look at all these things, I feel for a lot of Nigerians that lives on salary, and the salary is not even much, it's a token because it can't pay their bills. They can't live the kind of lifestyle that they want. Many people live paycheck to paycheck. They have to borrow, and by the end of the month they pay back with their salary and have zero amount left. I don't know, you might be facing similar issue like this, but I want you to understand that it is time you change the situation, because complaining will not solve anything. Thinking you are one of the less privileged will not solve anything. It is time you change the situation and make bigger money that will help you sort your bills successfully and start living the life you have dreamed of. Alright? And this is where high income skills comes in. That's where high income skills comes in. So the government will not come to save you. You need high income skills that will help you win and make money for yourself. Skills that are always in high demand, skills that you can render for someone or render for yourself and still make money online. Skills that does not really need you to always be available offline. These are the kind of high income skill that I will recommend you in this YouTube video. Alright? So that said, here are 5 high income skills that you need to learn for 2023. 5 high income skills. The first one is email marketing. So if you have a skill like this, business can pay you hundreds, thousands of dollars to be their email marketer. Yes, you heard me right. You see, here is a screenshot of more than $700 of my earning in a particular month as an email marketer. I don't like showing my earning, but I feel like I want to recommend something. I want to show you high income skills that can help you take care of your finance. It's important that I also show my little wins from skills like this. So as an email marketer, as you can see right here, this over $700 this particular month. You can do the exchange to naira anyhow you want it. But there's what I want you to know is that email marketing is a great high income skill that businesses across the globe, people in USA, people in Canada can pay you to help them set up email marketing for their business. You see, as an email marketer, my client pays me monthly and I also generate result for them monthly. So it's not just about the amount you pay me. I always make sure that I'm result oriented. So when you pay me money, I help you generate the result. This is over $6,000 I generated for one of my clients within 30 days in sales. All right. So that said, let us move to the second skill, and that is crypto trading. I don't need to explain much about this because you must have heard about it. Crypto trading. So this works perfectly if you already have some money that you can afford to lose. All right, and you can use it to run it through. So let me look at the third high income skill that you should consider as you move into 2023. Now, and that is YouTube monetization. Your ability to create videos people will watch, upload them on YouTube and start getting traction on YouTube, creating videos on YouTube. That's it. So now this is how it works. When you start getting people on YouTube, you can make money from YouTube by actually selling them products related to the kind of niche you are, by YouTube monetization from AdSense. You can also make money by endorsement when you build a big brand. But in case you are thinking, well, I don't have the big following, I don't even know how YouTube work. Just like you, a few months back, I started YouTube and I started posting video. Currently on YouTube, I have more than 1,200 subscribers on YouTube as at the time of making this video. And it's not just about the numbers of subscribers. It is about that this has given me the ability to recommend product to people who actually needs it with my affiliate link, and it has generated me more than $100. Like something that I don't even take seriously. It's just like a part-time stuff for me because I have other things I'm doing. So this will show you how valuable YouTube monetization is. If you have it as a skill, as you can see a screenshot of my dashboard right here, I have more than 23,000 views in 2022, more than 1,000 watch hour and 1,200 subscribers. And you can see the earning right here, like I said. So now let us proceed. But before then, I need to ask you a quick question. Is this not amazing? Your ability to put your affiliate link in a particular place, create content related to it, and see people watching your videos, consuming your content, and at the same time clicking and doing the action that you want them to take. That is one of the benefit of having that kind of high income skills. All right. So the first high income skill is affiliate marketing. So some people will say it is not a skill, it is a business. But whatever it is, I want you to understand that affiliate marketing is a cash on demand stuff that can generate you money. And if you know your onions in this kind of business, you are going to be able to generate money with it. All right, Baba. So this is how this particular business model works. Let's say you are promoting a product of 50,000 naira and there is 50% commission on it. Mind you are not the one creating the product. That's the sweet part of affiliate marketing. So let's say you are promoting a product of 50,000 naira with 50% commission. That means per sale of that product, you are going to earn 25,000 naira. So I want you to imagine something right now. Imagine if you could make 10 sales monthly. That is 250,000 naira. Now, I'm not trying to say 250,000 naira is a big money. No, 250,000 naira, depending on your finance, it might be a very token, it might be a little money. But what I want you to take note is imagine an extra 250K with the amount that you earn right now. What will it do for you? Even Dangote still looks for money. So even if Dangote see an alert of 250,000 naira, he's not going to reject it. I'm trying to project this to you to know that this can as well help you to sort out your bills. If you have kids, it can help you pay their school fees depending on where you live. All right. And as a matter of proof or fact, I was able to generate 1.3 million naira from affiliate marketing within a few months. This is not something much, but this enough evidence to let you know that affiliate marketing is a great business, is a great skill set if you know your way around it. So that's why you can consider it in 2023. These are things that can help you to make more money as we move into 2023. So, and this is the number five, the last skill that I actually put together right here, and that is Instagram ads. So Instagram ads is a crazy high income skill every business owner needs because every businesses need traffic. They need people to buy their product, they need people to log in, they need people to as a lead and lots more. So men looking at this, they want to hire someone that will help them take care of their ads, and that is why Instagram ads is an high income skill. Just like this screenshot you are seeing here, this lady, Blessing, she reached out to me on Twitter that she needs someone to help her run ads because I've been making content related to Instagram ads on Twitter. And we work together. I'm not going to disclose the amount she paid me to help her run ads for some days. That is to show you that it is also an high income skill. So now I've successfully shown you how important these skills are. I've shown you benefit of high income skill, the five high income skill you can consider as we move into 2023. So, but in case you are thinking, but now that I know the skills, how do I learn them? Like, that might be what you are thinking because you want to proceed to learn those skills So this is why we created this coming bootcamp titled High Income Skill Bootcamp. So in this bootcamp, you are going to learn the 5 skills that I've recommended for a token. Yeah. So these are the skills again. You are going to learn email marketing, you are going to learn crypto trading, YouTube monetization, affiliate marketing, Instagram ads, as explained. All right. So a bootcamp that will teach you 5 skills that can increase your income. How much do you think it worth? Just like I've been able to show you some of my earnings from affiliate marketing, from proof of Instagram ads, YouTube monetization, and more. Now, look at these skills. I want you to be able to look at yourself in the next 1 year having skills like this, charging businesses thousands of dollars to help them render these skills. So imagine a training that want to teach you this kind of stuff. How much do you think the training worth? Well, if we charge you 100,000 naira, it is still worth it, and it is a stipend, yeah. But we also know the situations in Nigeria. We know how tough the Nigeria economy is right now, and our goal is to help people who are facing this kind of challenges, and that is why we have decided to make the bootcamp a stipend, a little amount of money for just 5,000 naira. So, and one thing that I want to note is after the boot camp, if you think it doesn't worth it, we are going to refund you back your money. So there is a money back guarantee for it. But I want you to note something. The price will go up to 25,000 naira immediately after we have 25 people for the webinar. That's for the boot camp. Immediately after 25 people for the boot camp, the price is going to go up. But right now, we have just 20 slots left. Just as you can see, there are only 20 slots available. By the time we have 25, we are going to take the price up to 25,000 naira, which means this is a rare opportunity for you to grab a boot camp, a training that can change your life positively, that can change your finance positively. So what are you waiting for? You can click the link in the comment section, click the link in the comment section and make payment. Or get back to the person that shared this video with you and make payment now. Probably you have 1 or 2 questions to ask. Get back to the person and ask those questions.